Alright, quick little video update to the Crown Vic here. Took it and got it inspected today. Earlier in the week we replaced the rear brake pads and rotors, because actually on the right side rear, the inner pad was completely worn out and, you know, metal to metal contact on the rotor. So ordered new brakes, new pads and rotors for the rear, and I figured, well, we'll just put new rotors on the front too, because they were okay but they were not great. So that's all on there. And we got new lug nuts on it too, because the old lug nuts were pretty, the surface where it meets the wheel, they were pretty beat up. So took it to get inspected. I live in Pennsylvania, so they have to do safety inspection and emissions inspection, and it all went through pretty good. There was a check engine light on, which is a fail for emissions inspection, so I figured, well, they would just check it out and see what it was. It turned out to be something pretty bizarre. I've never heard of this before, but apparently a failed thermostat will cause a check engine light. So they put a new thermostat in it and now it's fine. Simple, easy fix. Can't really get much better than that. So unfortunately they couldn't put stickers on it yet, because it won't register until after you drive it like 50 or 100 miles or something like that. So it's Friday evening now, so I'll drive it over the weekend, make sure I put more than 50 or 100 miles on it, and we'll take it back on Monday morning, and it should pass emissions with no trouble, and we'll get stickers on it. It'll be awesome.